Customizing any Sage 100 contractor screen. We can change several things on a screen. Some are set by the supervisor, some by the user at any particular computer. These settings do not follow the user, they only follow the computer. So we'd be able to change titles on fields, customize user-defined fields, change field defaults, in other words, what automatically falls into the field. And at the computer level, I can go to my computer, customize grids for any screen I wish, and the size and placement of the screen. Here's how I do it. I'm going to pull up the work order screen. And what I've done already here is on the as supervisor, I've logged in as supervisor, and I tap the F7 key, which brings up the field properties screen. And there's a couple of things that have happened here. One, the default entry is the next work order number. Simply takes the last one and increments it by 1. We have changed order number to work order number. We've changed enter the work order number to enter the work order number here. Not a big deal, but kind of shows you how this works. We simply save it, and then for everybody who uses this particular screen, those things apply. In addition, on my location tab, I have, this is user def 1. I've changed that with the F7 key. This is very similar, only I get to choose what kind of information is going to be stored. In this case, I've stored a date. The default entry for that date, as you can see, could be today if I wish, or today plus a day, or as you can see, a whole bunch of stuff. I've chosen not to do that. And now I can move on to my second section, where at my computer, I can go to any particular grid. In this case, I've gone to the invoice details grid, and I've decided, using my right mouse key, to select the show hide columns. I've unchecked the columns I don't want to see. Or at any level, I could select a column and just hide it like so. I could give it another name with the F7 key if I wish, using that same technique. That's at the supervisor level. I can change the width. I can change the size and placement of the screen. And when I get done with all of that, I can right-click and save the current grid view. What happens then is when I bring up my screen again, it remembers the columns that I wanted and their widths, the size of the screen, and the placement of the screen.